Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Tires again. Just wanted to show the video that I've talked about on the Twitter account. This here is my mother, Gloria, and my son, Ethan, that you all know. He's, in case you want to use nicknames down in the comments down below, I'm GreyWolf, that's Mini Wolf. Haven't come up with a name for her yet, so we'll see. Today, wanted to do a little video. So, in some previous videos, I had already built my mom's computer. And then the other night, after getting back from some court stuff, I decided that I was going to go ahead and dismantle her machine and have her build it herself. So me and my son are going to help teach her how to do it, and so this will be a 3-generation build video of her putting together the machine with our guidance. And we're going to try and keep our assistance to just mostly knowledge and a little bit here and there. But this case was one that I had, and I've already upgraded the fans to the blue LED fans, and I'm just going to go ahead and leave those in there. But I went ahead and stripped everything else out, and I'm going to have her build it, and we'll see how it turns out. So anyway, with that said, we're going to go ahead and start. Alright, so now I did put the CPU in just because I didn't want the pins getting mangled or anything, and so the CPU is already in. But generally all you do is you plop it down and let it go. So that's not going to be anything big. Now, that's going to be the motherboard. Now for this, what we're going to do is we're going to install the CPU cooler on the CPU. So we will need the motherboard. So go ahead and set that down. And then this here is the CPU cooler. Now this plug here goes to the plug marked CPU fan. These little pin pieces, they easily get mangled, so you do have to be careful. They go into the 4 holes. It goes rectangularly, and we're going to see how verge-like we get with this. And so this here is the thermal paste. We're going to use some Arctic Silver Ceramic 2. It's non-electrical conductive, but thermally conductive, so it will be okay if there's a little extra. But it will also do a really good job of keeping it cool compared to some of the other stuff that's on the internet. And so we're going to go ahead and take the cap off that.
And it goes there?
In the center.
In the center.
About the size of a pea.
Okay.
It's probably about right. There you go. And it's okay if it tips to the side a little bit.
Okay.
There you go. And you can brush it off on the CPU. About the size of a pea. A little bit extra is not bad. And so that is all that's needed for the thermal paste. And then the next step is going to be to set this on top, lined up with the holes. This way, because this cooler was previously installed already, it just has them at the wrong angle. So there you go. And then you just press them down until they click in place. Start with one. There you go.
This one?
Then go with the next one. There, let's hold it out a little bit. Yep, that looks like it's already down.
Okay.
So then go with another one, and I'll hold it so that it's fine.
No.
It's already in.
Yep, looks like it's already in.
Yeah.
And then go with the last one. There you go. So now, to test it, to make sure, all you do is
Try to lift.
and as long as it doesn't wiggle one way or the other, you're good.
Good.
So there is that.
Now put this on.
And then plug it in, yep. Now this CPU cooler was originally in Ethan's machine, and he had this yellow theme going on with it. And so I did yellow because he likes yellow. And so if you would like, we can change that out with a different color. I have red, black, and clearish white.
Red.
So you want red?
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, I don't have any blue to go with fans. So
That's okay.
all you do is you just
Put it on and slide.
yep, and then slide it through. So
And put the clip on the side.
yeah, just on one of the sides where you can clip it off when you're ready.
Yeah.
There you go.
This. Okay.
Alright, and then you just use regular wire clippers. These are an El Cheapo pair that I use regularly. These came free in a 3D printer. They're worth probably less than 50 cents. So get what you can. It's not important to get like a $20 set of clippers or anything. And then we want to get rid of the yellow one, so go ahead and try and clip that one.
Okay.
Now be careful not to clip the wires.
Yeah.
I have made the mistake of clipping a wire once. Not on a CPU cooler though, it was on a fan, case fan. Destroyed a $30 fan.
Woo.
We all make mistakes.
Yeah.
But those of us that are smart, we learn from them.
Yes, that's
Alright, so that is the installation of a CPU cooling fan. So that is all that's needed for installing a CPU cooler on an Intel 115X or 1150X motherboard. So pretty simple, pretty quick, easy to do. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to segment these videos and do several today and just put each one out as a video showing you how you do each step of the way. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. So if you enjoyed the content of this video, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As always, feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the channel, me, my son. If you have a name in mind for my mom, go ahead and let us know the nickname you have in mind. Anything else, just feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.